mean, I've known EFSEC for quite a while, and one of the reasons is actually the platform that EFSEC offers us to the potential opportunities in the industry.
So in IFSEC, it gives us a space reaching to the audience to talk about securities within a card. So we are using this platform to engage with the end users and partners to tell them that it's more than just a plastic card.
We participated to increase our presence in the Far East, especially in Thailand, and to find new partners for this part of the world. We have very positive, it's only the first day, but we have very positive feedback.